How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. Unfortunately, Instagram does not allow you to add content directly to your highlights without first posting it as a story. However, there are some workaround to keep your stories private while adding them to highlights. So, to keep your story private, what you can do is tap on your profile icon once you have opened up the application. So, tap on your profile. That's gonna take you to your profile piece. Here, tap on three line icon from the top right corner. From here, scroll down a bit, and under who can see your content, there is an option that says hide story and live. Tap on it. Now, again, tap on this option that is hide story and live from. Tap on it. Now, you have to select all the followers from your Instagram account. So, by doing that, once you have added something to your Instagram story, no one will be able to view your story, or only the selected people would be able to see your story. Once you have selected them all, then tap on done from the top right corner. Here, once you have hidden story from the specific people, now you can go back, tap on your home page or home icon. Now from here you have to create your story. Tap on your story, and then you have to select a picture that you want to add as a highlight. Tap on it. Then post it in your story. Now, once the story is live, you can go here, and if you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there is an highlight option. Simply tap on it. And if you would like to add to one of your highlights, then select them, or you can create a new highlight as well. Then tap on right here. Then tap on add. Then tap on done. Now your highlights has been added on your profile, and your story will be removed after the 24 hours that you have posted. In order to view your highlights, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner, and there you can see now this highlights has been added in your account. So that's the only way to add highlights on Instagram. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.